Hi, little sound demonstration video for you for the drum that I birthed for you. Here she is. She's rather lovely. That's the back. Hope you like. Hope it's similar enough to the one that you've seen that you liked the look of. Let's have a play. Firm beater to begin with. I'll swap over and use a softer beater in a moment. It's very blowy and wet and windy, and hope the microphone picks the sound up okay for you. Let's have a go. Anyway, it's a firmer beater. And then the softer beater. Here we go. Gorgeous. Okay, well, I hope you like it. I'm going to pop this video along to you, or a link to it anyway, on YouTube, and I'll try and put some photos in as well, so you can have a closer look up close and personal. And yeah, if you like it, let me know. We can proceed. I can send you a link for a payment, and yeah, send it off to you. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.